Hey, it's Kyle from Apartment 2B, and I'm here to talk sleeper sofas. They are no longer the futons of your college past. I am going to show you definitively that they are a stylish alternative to your guest room, no matter what your square footage is. Apartment 2B sleepers have a high quality mechanism that makes it easy to pull them out and then put them back in. Fun fact about a queen sleeper sofa is it's actually 8 inches shorter than a standard queen mattress. You can either get fitted sheets meant for a sleeper sofa, or for me, what I do is I just take my queen set and I'll just tuck it really tight in. If you want your guests feeling as comfortable as possible, make a really crisp bed. And then what I like to do is add in some layers of some throw pillows and a great throw blanket to really give you that guest room vibe. If I have a guest staying multiple nights, I'll just take off the duvet and the pillows and I'll keep the sheets tucked in so I can fold it away. But otherwise, take off all the bedding so it doesn't get too bulky to mess with the mechanism. When you're closing it, it might feel like you're forcing it, but just give it enough pressure so it locks in place and then you can go in the rest. Sleeper sofas are a great alternative to a guest room when you just don't have that extra space, but it doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style for your guests. Be sure to check out all our sleeper sofas and sectionals on apartment2b.com.